Solar Tour 2015. What we're looking at next is the heating system that I chose for efficient heating inside of this historical building. This is what we're looking at is an electric boiler. This heats water to 160 degrees using electricity that I purchased at half the cost of normal electricity. The reason I chose an electric boiler over a natural gas boiler or propane is because by heating water in Michigan through DTE, you can get an energy reduced rate. And how do they give us a reduced rate on that energy? It's because I have agreed to shut off in the event of a power outage or an emergency. That's I have a separate meter that operates this boiler only. So in the event of a power outage, they can shut me off for 20 minutes out of an hour because I've agreed. So now I have the energy cost at 4 cents. The second reason I've chosen electric boiler is because of efficiency. No wasted heat is going up the chimney. When we're using natural gas or fossil fuel or even wood, there is heat that's going out to the chimney that is responsible for 15 to 20% of the energy cost. This boiler holds 7 gallons of liquid and circulates possibly 20 gallons through the entire system underneath the floor throughout the house. The reason I chose that is because of the efficiency. With an air heating system, the air heating system heats the air, then through conduction or convection will heat the objects in the air. You and I know you're grocery shopping, you open the door, what's the first thing that happens? You open the door, the cold air comes in, the furnace recognizes that and turns on. With a underflow rating heating system, we are heating the entire building. First of all, we're heating the floor, the wood, the sinks, the toilet, the couch. If this system were to fail, and I've done tests, the house will remain to temperature for 12 or more hours without losing a drastic amount of temperature. You lose your forced air furnace in the dead of winter time for 15 or 20 minutes, you're grabbing a blanket. So the water is circulated 160 degrees underneath the floor. If we see here, the heat exchanger is a malleable aluminum that transfers the heat from the pipe to the floor, through the floor. It is imperative, however, that we're not using carpeting when installing underfloor rating heating system because it will reduce the efficiency of the equipment going through the carpeting. Circulated through multiple bays, insulated to keep the heat transfer going up with solar water attached, solar hot water heating attachment. So there we have our underfloor rating heating system. That's it for today.